In the quantum realm, particles possess an intrinsic property called spin, an angular momentum that is not about physical rotation in the classical sense, but rather a fundamental characteristic of their identity. This quantum spin dictates much of how particles interact and behave, fundamentally dividing the universe into two distinct categories, matter and force. Particles of matter, known as fermions, such as electrons, protons, and neutrons, all possess half-integer spin, typically 1/2. This seemingly simple fraction leads to profound and counterintuitive geometric behavior, fundamentally different from anything we observe in our macroscopic world. Imagine a fermion. To return it to its original quantum state, you would not need to rotate it by 360 degrees, as you would a classical object. Instead, a spin 1/2 particle requires a full 720-degree rotation to appear identical to its starting configuration. After just one 360-degree turn, its wave function acquires a negative sign, a kind of half-twist that doesn't resolve until a second rotation completes the circuit. Mathematically, this translates to the wave function psi of a spin 1/2 particle transforms as psi transforms to negative psi upon a 360-degree rotation. This unusual property, known as a double cover, means that these particles effectively live in a more complex geometric space than our familiar 3 dimensions. This mathematical nuance is critical for describing their fundamental nature. In stark contrast, particles that mediate forces, known as bosons, carry integer spin, most commonly spin 1. Examples include photons, which carry the electromagnetic force, and gluons, which bind quarks together. These particles behave more conventionally from a rotational perspective. For a spin 1 particle, a single 360-degree rotation is sufficient to restore it to its original quantum state. There are no additional twists or sign changes in its wave function after a full turn. Geometrically, their behavior aligns with our everyday experience of rotating objects. The mathematical implication for spin 1 particles is straightforward. Their wave function remains unchanged after a 360-degree rotation. It transforms as psi to psi. This simpler transformation reflects their direct role in transmitting forces without the added complexity of a half-twist in their quantum identity. This fundamental difference in spin topology directly explains why the math of matter differs from the math of force. The half-spin of fermions is linked to their obeying the Pauli exclusion principle, which states that no two identical fermions can occupy the same quantum state. This principle is responsible for the stability of matter and the structure of the periodic table. Conversely, the integer spin of bosons means they do not obey the Pauli exclusion principle. Multiple bosons can occupy the same quantum state, which is why forces can accumulate and act cohesively, like the photons in a laser beam. This statistical difference, known as Fermi-Dirac statistics for fermions and Bose-Einstein statistics for bosons, is a direct consequence of their spin values. In essence, the geometric distinction between requiring 720 degrees versus 360 degrees for a particle to return to its original state underpins the entire architecture of the universe, dictating how matter forms stable structures and how forces operate, shaping everything from atoms to galaxies.